In this tutorial, we are going to learn about functions in Node.js JavaScript. We will discover how to declare a function, and importantly, how to call or invoke a function once it's been declared. Let's dive in. Here, we have declared a function named greet. This function, when invoked, will print the message hello, world, to the console. Now, let's see how to call this function. To invoke or call our function, we simply type the name of the function followed by parentheses. This tells JavaScript to run or execute the function's code. And there you have it. Once we called our greet function, it executed the code within it, printing hello, world, to the console. Now, let's take a look at how the flow of execution works in JavaScript. In this piece of code, we have two Console.log statements before and after our function call. This will help us understand the flow of execution. As we can see, before function call is printed first. Then our greet function is called, printing hello, world. Finally, after function call is printed. This demonstrates that JavaScript runs our code from top to bottom, and when a function is called, it pauses to complete that function before moving on. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now understand how to call or invoke a function in Node.js JavaScript. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing and happy coding.